Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, cow. The cow is a pet animal. Mango. I love to eat mango. Small. That house is very small. Book. I have a storybook. Red. I want a red balloon. School. I go to school by bus. Grass. The color of grass is green. Car. The car has four wheels. Tree. Tree gives us fruit. Tea. I want to drink some tea. Doll. I have a very cute doll. Dress. My favorite dress is blue frock. Football. Football is an outdoor game. Fish. Fish lives in water. Fruit. Orange is my favorite fruit. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.